In the notebook, you get to see that we are in a Lakehouse Explorer, Medallion 01, and the target is to get the table in here. To make it the files become a delta table, and then doing the hops from bronze, silver, and then golden. Um, the idea here is to take from the data flow staging to bronze and then silver and then golden and then to the tables as a delta table. Okay, so in the notebook we were doing the medallion approach, nothing different than the previous ones that you guys know from Databricks and also Snaps. But in here we have a parameter cell, table name, bronze, silver, golden ABFS path that you can find in here. Okay, right click it, copy, and then I'm just going to paste it here so you guys can see it. But essentially it's going to be this path, and this is how you can write to the specific folders that we were going to be writing here. And then finishing to the target lake, which is the medallion 001 that we're going to be doing here. So the movements we're going to be doing is essentially reading and then saving. Okay, so in here I'm just getting the data from the landing zone, and this landing zone, it's I'm just reading it, and then getting to write it into the format Parquet to this ABFS path that we have within Fabric for the bronze zone. So as you guys can see here, Fabric Parquet, and I'm doing the overwrite. I could do the append if I had new data, but I don't have new data, and essentially it's a flat table. So the table is already here in bronze. I already pre-ran all of these cells, and then again, I'm just taking now I'm reading from bronze, and instead of just saving, I could probably add any transformations in here that I want. I should actually probably write it in here so it gets visual for you guys. Any transformations you want in between, because you want to take the data into silver already all transformed, right? So doing any transformations that you want and manipulations with data. So I already pre-ran this here. Like I said, it's already in silver, and then the last piece of this notebook, it's actually reading from silver and now getting from golden, getting to golden actually. Sorry. And then any transformations in here, saving to golden, and then the last piece is just getting from the golden folder and saving it to the Delta tables format into the tables folder of the Lakehouse. Again, I'm using the overwrite. I don't have new data or historical data coming in, so essentially here I'm overwriting, not appending to the Delta format. Okay, and as you guys can see here, I already have the APIs table, and it's good for reporting if I want to. Now I need to orchestrate everything that I have here into a pipeline, and this is what we're going to be doing next.